suppose, smarty pants, we could.
Although you have to come down here and measure it.
Yeah. Unless I can pass this to you.
No, because we know how that goes.
Oh. Well, this is a heck of an intro. We were just getting ready to come out and start working this morning, and we got our transformer for our property that runs, the line runs to that pole and then to the camper, which I think we've said it before, but that pole ended up coming out because it's in the front of the house. But anyway, we just heard this loud pop, sounded like a gunshot, and we lost power. So I came out here, and this is what I see. That guy, completely fried. So now we have no power, and we knew, well, I knew pretty instantly that it was this one because our neighbors are our neighbors back up there. They have a generator that kicks on when we lose power, and their generator didn't kick on, so I knew it was only us. So the power company will be out here, I guess, to see about our power. Good thing it's kind of chilly today, kind of cool. I think the high is only 70 before it gets to mid 90s next week. So anyway, go back in and get ready, and then we'll come out and get started on that roof. All right, power company came out. They fixed our transformer with a blown fuse from that bird getting fried, but we're back ready to go now. So we got the ladder set up, got my first panel here. We'll get it plopped up on the roof. We got 2 full panels, and then we got a cut. It's the same on both sides. So we'll get the first 2 full panels up. I'll get them fastened off best I can. So we'll get that loaded up. We'll get it in place. We'll slide it up. Then we'll put our foam, put the panel back down, screw it down, and do the same thing for the next one. And try to knock this thing out. No, because it's lined up over here.
Good?
Looks pretty good to me. You got it?
Huh?
You got it?
Yeah.
All right, we got this bad boy lined up.
that a mark?
No. Over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
You good?
Yep.
All right, first two panels are on. Now we need to measure for the third. So we'll do the same thing we did on the back. We're gonna give ourselves a 4.5 inch valley. Good?
Yep.
I suppose, smarty pants, we could.
Although you have to come down here and measure it.
Yeah, yeah. Unless I can pass this to you.
No, because we know how that goes.
Oh.
And they're sharp. See? Done. You're welcome.
Okay. What next, boss?
Panel.
We'll
We
measure.
can measure over this. Can you slide it my way?
And a quarter?
Yep.
Okay.
19 and...
You got it? All right, so easy way to do that. I don't know actually if my knee was in the way, but we just throw up a scrap piece. We line it up with our chalk line. We measure up, and then since this one has a another straight panel that was 10 or so inches over, we measure that, and then we'll just mark that on another sheet, and then we'll get it cut and then toss it up. Good?
Yep.
Is it lined up at the end? Yeah, looks pretty good to me. All right, so as you can see, maybe if my leg and cankle is not in the way, we got it down here. We're good to go. So Tina's got the foam, the end foam that we've been putting on, and then this foam is gonna go up this way. So we'll get both of those put on here. What?
I said it went low right there, but that's okay.
That's good. Good?
Yeah.
Is that lined up at the top?
No. Yeah, it was on. Yeah.
Good?
Yep.
Alright, next piece we test fitted. He's loud. You hear him all the way down the street.
Make the turkeys gobble.
That's my finger. Too long to put in. All right. We got one more to go on this side.
Oh, while you're there?
Yep.
Would you put them in your pocket?
I got a gang of them.
It's like you're rock climbing. It's what you wanted to do.
No, it's not. Not with a busted toe. All right, so as you see, I'm tied off for this steep slope. I think it's probably 712 pitch or so. That side, we're able to do it from the ground. This side is uneven, so we're not able to do it from the ground. So I'm having to get up here and do it, but we're making it work. So got my screws in my pockets. Good. One down. One more tough one to go. Not tough. Tougher, I guess. Good. You okay? You got it?
I'm holding it up. Ah, I pushed down on it.
Sorry.
Fit it in.
All right, 2 panels down. I don't know, what is it, 3? 3 to go?
Yes.
Hey. Climbing on the roof with a broken toe is not very fun. Okay, you're good. All right, back out here this morning. We put that 3rd piece on last night, and we didn't film that because it was getting late. If you notice, we were working, I don't know if you could tell by the shadows, we were working in the evening. We had my mom fly in yesterday, so we picked her up yesterday morning, and she's gonna watch the baby for us so that we can just try to get this thing knocked out, because we only got a few days to get the rest of the roof on. So skid steer is coming tomorrow. We're doing pretty good on this roof. We kind of took 2 days off to clean up on the inside, like I said last video, and get all that stuff ready for the skid steer so we can be ready to go for all this. So anyway, with that said, we got this piece to put on, get it fastened, and then we got one more piece, and I think it's a real tiny one, same as last time. So we'll get the silicone installed. That didn't work. Ah! Dang it. All right. Gotta do those ones. Don't me, lady. All right, so we got that on. I think we're ready for the skid steer, and I think we're ready to start getting the big panels on. We can't do the ridge cap. I think I said this on the last video, until we do the panels, because it's going to tuck up underneath, and we need to do the edge over there. So shut it down, Rocky. So yeah, this looks pretty good. We'll get this fastened down. I got what, 2, 4, 7 screws to put in, and we'll be done. So that's where we'll leave this one. And that's where we'll leave that one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll see you on the next video.
Bye. Okay, can I get down here?
Go.